Welcome to another math video where I create videos that are perfect for the classroom and homeschool environments for all age groups. Let's discuss multiplying fractions with like and unlike denominators. Remember from our last video, the numerator is the top number and the denominator is the bottom number. When you multiply fractions with unlike denominators, first multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators and simplify. Let's try a few examples. For our first example, let's multiply 1/2 times 3/4. So 1 times 3 equals 3 and 2 times 4 equals 8. So our answer is 3/8. Check to make sure the fraction is in its lowest form. In order to simplify to the lowest form, we look for the greatest common factor, or the GCF. The greatest common factor is the largest factor that all the numbers share. In this case, 3 and 8 do not share any factors. Factors refers to numbers that can be divided into both numbers. Okay, so let's expand further on greatest common factor with another example. Try to multiply 2/9 times 3/4. So multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. So we get the answer, or our new fraction, 6/36. 6 on top and 36 on the bottom. We have a fraction that needs to be simplified or reduced. Let's find the greatest common factor. So the first thing you want to do is list the common factors. So our factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Now let's list our factors of 36. What numbers can you divide into 36 evenly? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So the greatest common factor that both numbers share are 6. Greatest refers to the biggest common factor. These numbers share multiple common numbers, but the greatest is 6. Now, let's go back and simplify our answer, 6/36. So you want to divide by 6. You're going to divide the numerator. So 6 divided by 6 equals 1. And you're going to divide the denominator. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. So our simplified answer is 1/6. Keep in mind that there are a few ways to find the greatest common factor, but this way works for smaller numbers. Stay tuned for more videos about other strategies on finding the greatest common factor. Now that we know how to multiply fractions with unlike denominators and finding the greatest common factor, let's take a look on how to multiply fractions with the same denominators. Well, guess what? We follow the same steps as multiplying fractions with unlike denominators. We multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator, and simplify. Try this example. I want you to pause the video to see if you can come up with the answer first. So our example is 1/3 times 7/3. So 7 times 1 is 7, and 3 times 3 is 9. So our answer is 7/9. Do they share any common factors? No, this is the simplest form. Now I want you to try these examples on your own and check out my comment section for the answers. So number 1, 3/5 times 2/6. Number 2, 5/6 times 3/6. Number 3, 3/4 times 4/6. And number 4, 2/3 times 2/5. Don't forget to simplify your answer if needed, using the steps that I showed you on how to find the greatest common factor. Please feel free to watch the video again to understand the steps that you need to take to multiply fractions. Stay tuned for videos about dividing fractions and other strategies on finding the greatest common factor. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and check out my other math videos. Thank you.